Hello, everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and I hope everyone can hear me because I'm using my Bluetooth tonight, and I just want to see what the recording is like. I purchased it, and I heard that it was really good to use for videos, so I just wanted to see how it was working, but not only that, share with you information about the Power Lead system. And there's probably a lot of people that's used it before or haven't had much success with it. And the reason why I'm bringing this video to you is because I have some exciting news to share with you about the Power Lead system. First, I want to start by stating that I've been in this industry since 2015, and I start earning a full-time income the end of 2016 and showing others how to do the same. Okay, and the Power Lead system is one of the platforms that I started using where I had my breakthrough, which means I started earning consistently. And I'm going to show you some proof of that tonight, but also show you why the Power Lead system is so powerful and why I decided to join at the MTI level. So first, what I want to do is share this with you is that right now I have $4,884.26 that I can deposit into my account, my bank account, within the next 24 hours. And that's extremely magical. For a lot of people, this is a full-time income or even more than that. And the Power Lead system pays out weekly. And what I love about it is that there is a residual part to the Power Lead system. So not only do you can collect one-time payments, but you're also able to collect residual $20 commissions with this program. So before I get into the proof of the payments that I've been receiving, I want to share with you the different levels and what's included in those levels. So as an affiliate at the gold level, you can earn unlimited $20 commissions, and it's $53 a month. That gives you access to utilize the system, and also it allows you to become an affiliate to collect those unlimited $20 commissions, okay? At the diamond level, which is here, you make a one-time payment of $147, and it's a one-time payment, and you're allowed to collect unlimited $100 commissions. So for life, you can get as many $100 commissions for every single person that comes in under your link. Then you have the platinum level, which is a one-time payment of $497, and it allows you to get unlimited $400 commissions from everyone that comes into your team. Then you have the Master Traffic Institute, which is a one-time payment of, I believe it's $1,400. Okay, don't quote me on that, but I'm sure it's $1,400. And it allows you to get unlimited $1,000 commissions, okay? And I purchased this when it first came out in May of last year, okay? So what I love about this is people could come in as high as you want, and the other thing is if you're at the diamond level and someone comes into your team at the platinum level, you lose out on that commission. You will get the diamond, you will get the gold, but you won't get the platinum. That will roll up to your sponsor because you're not at that level. Now, you don't lose all the commissions, but you'll lose the commissions where you're not at. So when you first join, these buttons will be red. Most likely this one will be gold, this one will be green, the gold one, because everyone joins at the lowest level. If you upgrade to the diamond, this one will be green. You want to add your picture and get your domain here, okay? And the domain is $17.97 for the entire year, okay? So the main thing that people face when they join the Power Lead system is how to generate traffic and run traffic to their link. So what I've done is I've eliminated that by having a mastermind, which is a 90-day blitz that shows you how to run traffic consistently, and it's pretty much a boot camp. So what I do is I hold people by the hand and show them exactly the methods that I use to earn consistently online. And what I want to share with you is my commissions. So if I go into commissions earned, so far for this week, okay, and the week ends every single Sunday. Well, it starts over every single Sunday and it ends every single Saturday. I'm already at $870 for the week, okay? And if we go into here, you can see that I did $1,460 for last week. And the week before that, $1,176. And I just started pumping traffic again to the Power Lead system. I was not using it consistently, only for the last, I want to say, month and a half, okay? And that's because I was working on my own project. I have an opportunity that I'm promoting right now, okay? So here I made $631. And again, guys, these commissions are weekly. These are weekly earnings. So what I'm doing is I'm showing people how to generate traffic and how to start building that momentum, because I started out with the Power Lead system when I first got into the online industry, and it's been one of the ways that I've been allowed to run traffic consistently. Here under commissions payment history, I made almost $70,000 just from the Power Lead system back in 2018. Okay, so it shows you right here. And since I've started running traffic again with the Power Lead system, I'm already at $6,000 for the year. Okay, and that's going to continue to rise as I continue to pump more and more traffic. With the training, what they do is they give you these different platforms that you can use. But what I realize is that a lot of people get back here into the training area and they get lost because there's so many different methods that you can use. And there's so many different things that they want you to do in order to be successful. People not knowing that they only need a couple of different traffic methods try to really cram all of the traffic methods that they have back here. And what happens is they get overwhelmed and they wind up giving up, okay? So what I did is I took the mastermind to break it down into exactly what you need, the easiest methods to use, extremely newbie friendly, but it's extremely effective, and it's going to allow you to start earning as fast as possible with the Power Lead system. So what I want people to know is that this is a great platform. You get unlimited funnels. Okay, you can have your teammates share their funnels with you. Okay, if you have a leader in the industry and they have a funnel and you want to use their funnel, all they have to do is give you a share code, and you plug that share code in and it duplicates their funnel. So you don't even need to know how to create funnels when you're using a Power Lead system, because with a single code, you can duplicate any funnel that's out there. And a Power Lead system allows you to get unlimited funnels. You can test funnels all day long. You can connect them to any sales pages that you may have. And it also has a built-in autoresponder. So if you don't, one of those people, you don't want to get a separate autoresponder, you don't have to, okay? So what I'm going to do is, for people that join me with the Power Lead system, is going to get access to the mastermind. You have to come in at the platinum level, okay? And you're going to also get your funnel completely set up for you. Completely set up for you. You don't have to worry about setting it up. You're going to get access to the mastermind and the funnel done for you. All you have to do is get in and be prepared to be a part of this 90-day blitz. For 90 days, we're meeting Monday through Friday, okay, 5 days a week, and you have to be committed to at least 3 of those meetings a week, and you have to commit 6 to 8 hours a week to the trainings and the traffic that we're using, 6 to 8 hours a week. Now, is it going to cost you anything for traffic? No, I'm going to show you the traffic strategies that I use. Most of them are free. And if they're not, they're affordable. We're right now just doing free traffic methods that I use on a daily basis that allows me to bring in a 6-figure income, okay? So I'm willing to share that information with anyone that wants to change their financial situation, that wants to start earning consistently, and that's ready to be dedicated and committed to learning the strategies that I use. So I want to say thank you for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And I'm looking to inspire people to start a home-based online business and grow within this online industry to be able to make as much as you want and trying to do it in the least amount of time possible. So thanks again and have a great night.